right now, at this exact moment, while you're watching this video, scrolling on your phone, or sitting quietly somewhere on Earth, something historic is happening far beyond our planet. Something so quiet yet so powerful that future generations may look back and say, this was the moment humanity truly changed. Because NASA has just powered up humanity's first moon space station. Not a rover, not a temporary mission, not a flag planted for symbolism, but a real structure designed to stay, to operate, to survive, and to prepare humans for life beyond Earth. And what makes this moment even more incredible is how few people realize what it actually means. Because this is not just another space project. This is the beginning of a permanent human presence beyond our home planet. For thousands of years, the moon has watched us silently as civilizations rose and fell under its glow. As humans learned to farm, fight, explore, and dream. The moon was there when the pyramids were built, when empires collapsed, when humans first learned to fly. And in 1969, when we finally reached it, the world held its breath as human footsteps touched lunar soil. It felt like the start of a new era. But surprisingly, that era ended almost as quickly as it began. By 1972, humans left the moon behind. And for more than 50 years, it remained untouched by human life. Many people believed we had simply moved on, that the moon was a finished chapter. But behind the scenes, NASA never stopped thinking about it, because scientists understood something most people didn't. Going directly to Mars is incredibly dangerous. The radiation alone can slowly destroy the human body. The distance makes rescue nearly impossible, and the psychological pressure of isolation can break even the strongest minds. So before sending humans deeper into space, NASA needed a testing ground, a place close enough to Earth for safety, but harsh enough to reveal every weakness in our technology and ourselves. And the moon was the perfect choice. This is where the Moon Space Station comes in, often called Gateway. It is not like the International Space Station that floats close to Earth with constant resupply, missions, and quick emergency returns. This station is different, smaller, smarter, more independent, designed to operate autonomously for long periods, powered by advanced solar arrays, equipped with deep space communication systems, radiation sensors, life support, testing modules, and docking ports for future spacecraft. This station isn't built for comfort, it's built for truth, to show us what really happens when humans step beyond Earth's protective bubble. When NASA engineers powered up the station's systems, there was no dramatic countdown on television, no cheering crowds, just quiet control rooms filled with people staring at screens. Years of work coming down to a few signals. And for a brief moment, there was silence. No data, no confirmation. A terrifying pause that reminded everyone how unforgiving space can be. Then the signal arrived. Power stable, systems responding. The station was alive. And with that single confirmation, humanity crossed an invisible line. Because, for the first time, we weren't just visiting space anymore. We were building a future there. This station exists for a reason, far bigger than the moon itself. It is a gateway, a stepping stone, a place where astronauts will learn how to live, work, and survive far from Earth for months at a time. It will support missions to the lunar surface, help assemble spacecraft for Mars, and act as a relay point for deep space exploration. But beyond technology, there is something deeper happening here. This station is also testing human psychology, because living near the moon means no blue sky, no weather, no familiar sense of home. Earth will appear as a distant marble hanging in the darkness. Messages will take time to arrive. Mistakes will be unforgiving. Psychologists and scientists are watching closely because humans evolved with horizons, gravity, and natural cycles. And no one truly knows how the human mind will adapt when those disappear. The first humans who live aboard this station won't just be astronauts. They will be pioneers. Their experiences, failures, and discoveries will shape how humanity expands beyond Earth, just like early explorers who crossed oceans without knowing what waited on the other side. Some may not return, and that reality is uncomfortable. But history shows us that every major leap forward comes with risk, and this moment may feel small to many people watching from Earth. There were no fireworks, no global celebrations, but history often whispers before it roars. The first airplane flight didn't look impressive. The first computers filled entire rooms. The first internet message seemed meaningless. Yet everything that followed changed civilization forever. This moon space station is one of those quiet beginnings. And there's another layer to this story that rarely gets discussed. NASA is not alone in its lunar ambitions. Other nations and private companies are watching closely, because the moon is no longer just a symbol. It's a strategic location. Water ice at the lunar poles can be turned into rocket fuel. Rare materials could reshape future industries. And positioning near the moon could control deep space travel routes. This station isn't just about science. It's about influence. About who shapes humanity's future beyond Earth. And history has shown us that wherever humans settle, competition follows. Which raises an uncomfortable question. Will we carry our conflicts with us into space? Or will we finally learn from our past? The moon station itself doesn't answer that question. It simply opens the door. And once doors like this open, they never truly close. In the coming years, astronauts will dock there. Lunar landers will refuel nearby. And Mars-bound missions may assemble in its shadow. Earth will no longer be humanity's only home. And the moon will no longer be just something we look at in the night sky. It'll be part of our daily reality. So when you think about NASA powering up humanity's first moon space station, don't think of it as just another headline. Think of it as the moment humans decided to stay, to prepare, to move forward even when the future is uncertain. Because this isn't just a story about space. It's a story about who we are and who we're becoming. And now I want to know what you think. Is this the beginning of humanity's greatest chapter, or the start of new challenges beyond Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this story made you think, it hit like, and subscribe to AED ID for more stories about the future unfolding right now. Because the moon is no longer just watching us, we're moving in.